While I'm getting the video ready for tonight, I'm watching Lexi with Henry. Henrietta. Watch her. Yeah, we had a great time at Michelle's. They're under construction zone, as you'll see. And we made our meal very simple, but we enjoyed our time together. They took a big, long break for family time, but they've got to get their stuff done. They've got several projects going. Most important of all, the drain field. Bye, Miss Henrietta. Bye, Miss Henrietta. So I hope you enjoyed tonight's video. We pulled up and I'm getting some video just in case she hides from me. There's Anna. I said before long she'll be part of the crew.
Go ahead and nail it in or what?
Real good. How you doing?
I like your outfit, Michelle.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, where's the scoop syrup? I don't know
What kind of candy? Oh, you're putting the good candy in it, aren't you? We brought some more plastic eggs. I've got more in the car, too.
We don't need more.
You don't need more?
I don't think so.
After I go buy more, you don't need more?
No, we need more.
Yeah, but not...
Not like a million more.
Hi, girls. How y'all doing?
How are you?
You get lots. She's getting big. Alexis getting big.
I saw two of your videos that was on YouTube.
That's what your mommy said. Did you like them?
Yeah.
Well,
The second one was the goat one.
huh?
The second one that was the goat one.
Oh, the goat one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's quite a few with animals in them.
I saw one that looked like Bonnie.
Ah.
That is so cool.
And one that looks like Suba
Wow.
horns.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
We can play with
Go play with it?
Me see your basket again. How cute. Got butterflies on everything. About time the cake gets iced. It was too hot at the house.
It's hard to ice cake.
You like icing them though?
Yeah, but it always breaks on us. Like it keeps on breaking like that.
I'll come back to you when you get done, okay? And Sadie called on me and said what? You're done?
Yeah.
It did real well, didn't it? So we're gonna cover it back.
We're not playing with her.
We'll cover it back up till everybody gets ready to eat, okay?
Huh?
Where y'all going?
I'll be right
Be right back.
back.
Then Eli wanted to bring his Oculus because he knew it'd be 3 girls here and he wanted something to do. And they had to dig out another drain field. He must be replacing the decking right here. Maybe he had to dig under it, I don't know. But they're around putting siding on the house. She said, Mama, my yard's a muddy mess. We'll take it any way we can get it, though. They've got a new neighbor. Hi, Mr. Cow. Hi, Dee. I can't come over there. The yard's too muddy. They had to zigzag their drain field. Yeah. Oh, I got you out of the view. Where are the chickens? Just chewing. That's funny. Usually the chickens are out. I do see one. Back there. See a bud. Oh, I see another one, I think. Right there. I'll come back later. They put new windows all around the house. Michelle helped do the demo and yeah, the demo and putting them back in. I don't think I showed you the siding yet. But she's helping every bit of the way. They put a do not use out of order. They replaced the toilet. You eating all the salsa or you saving Mama some?
Eating all the salsa.
I'm thinking she's eating all the salsa.
Where the grown-ups won't eat.
On the couch.
I ain't sitting on that couch.
What are you doing, Papa? I got evidence where they're at. One year at my mama's, honey, they accounted for all the eggs but one. We never did find that one egg. Oh, you'll make them climb up there.
They already do. Throw me one.
She said throw her one. Oh, and she caught it. That's good. I think those little cupcake ones were cute.
I like your case.
Huh?
I like your phone case.
Oh, thank you. I don't know where I got that at.
Here, Papa. Give me a couple more.
Making sure, I was just making sure you didn't put none down the
There's ants
hole.
all in this.
There's
They will
what?
bite you. There's ants. All in
Ants.
this.
Okay, don't go in it then, Papa.
I'm trying to get it, Chase.
You got a lot of work going on at one time.
That wasn't intentional. That shit.
Oh, I know.
That shit ain't right.
I know. I was here when he come out to empty the septic on it.
Yeah.
The gold truck. Yes,
There you go. I can't stay up with them.
I'm looking for one. That line. I'm looking for one. That line. That line.
You gotta look.
That line ain't none that way, honey. Come back this way.
I found two.
Come back this way.
I see a buck.
I got three. More.
You gotta look. Run and look.
Hey, get out of the
Hey, right here.
Look at the ants.
Eli. You got how many?
I don't know. Yep, she one fell down on the ground. I don't know.
That little girl, she's on the
Come here,
go.
come down, Amy. Amy needs you. Come around.
She's not letting any grass grow under her feet, is she? Wow.
You're the shortest Ken, you got the tallest egg.
Oh.
Look at me.
Look at Uncle Mikey. Look at Uncle Mikey. Do you see anything?
See anything right here?
I see something right there.
Where's
Eli.
that?
Don't see it.
Somebody's gonna come
You
get
gonna
it.
get
You
it?
don't. Ah. That was close.
Hey, go look at her knots.
Alan, where's the ant?
Go look at her knots.
I only got five, Daddy. I got nine.
They're doing a great job on the siding on their house. They're actually wanting to fix it up and sell and get them a place to live and have a campground for RVs.
10 tons of 57.
Yeah, I think you found them all.
No, we need
6 more. And I guess this is the piece of equipment they actually had to have a tow truck come help get them out of the drain field ditch the other night. Nick put a video on TikTok. I'll see if he'll loan it to me.
Yeah.
The black and white one pooped on Sadie.
Yeah.
Wow. Did it
what
poop
it's
on you
making.
too? That turned out pretty, didn't it, Michelle?
Mm-hmm.
But did you know what's under here?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Come here, kids.
Oh yeah, you forgot that, didn't you?
I did. Kids, come here.
I know what it is. They already know it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's sing happy early birthday to your mommy, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michelle. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Thank you.
I baked it and Sadie iced it.
Thank you.
We knew we wouldn't see you tomorrow because you're going where?
Omis.
Going to Omi's. Are you going to Omi's too?
Mm-hmm.
Are you? Gonna have fun at Omi's? So, they want us to celebrate it with you, Michelle, because they want us to see what they got you.
I got a word, sir?
Oh, I love Jumbo Books.
It's mine.
It's baby.
Me and Papa go
She
play
took
with this
that
outside.
too.
I got a pen.
Ah,
I got a chicken.
you got a chick. Let me see that chicken. Oh, how cute.
It's also mine. She keeps on stealing my stuff to give it to somebody else. That she hasn't even
I
asked
want
for.
it. I like it. Me and Papa
And a
go play with
unicorn.
That's her.
How cute.
That's the only thing in the
You went shopping, didn't you?
No.
In our own house, she did.
Yes, she did.
I might rip
You
this
did-
bag.
hey,
She used a lot of tape.
You get a thumbs up for shopping
Okay, I'm gonna
skills.
Okay.
I don't have patience for all that tape.
That's okay. Steal my stuff.
Ooh, I got a roux.
That's hers.
Oh, you got a roux. How cute.
That's everything.
I'm pretty sure I might have bought this for you. Yeah.
And now she's gifting it to
Thank
you,
very
Mommy.
much.
No, we're getting all of it back. She already told us
Thank
that.
Adeline doesn't want her stuff back.
She gave them to her mommy.
Just leave
This
it.
is for you.
I understand. Just leave it. Leave it.